Two fresh ingredients, one simple recipe. What happens when aloe vera meets lemongrass? Let's find out as we make a gentle, natural soap your skin will actually look forward to. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're making another aloe vera soap using fresh ingredients. This time, we're adding fresh lemongrass. You may know lemongrass as a cooking herb or a natural remedy for health, but it's also good for the skin. It has antibacterial properties and a refreshing scent that pairs well with aloe vera. Start by cleaning your aloe vera leaves. Then, extract the gel using a spoon or a blunt tool. This helps avoid scraping the inner rind, where most of the latex is found. Next, blend the aloe vera gel together with some fresh lemongrass leaves until smooth. After blending, you can strain the mixture to remove the pulp. This gives a cleaner, smoother finish in the final soap. However, straining is optional. If you don't mind a more rustic look and feel, you can leave the pulp in. It can add texture and character to your soap bars. Measure 131 grams of the aloe vera and lemongrass juice and slowly add 65 grams of sodium hydroxide. Be sure to handle the lye carefully. If this is your first time using it, I've left some important safety tips in the description box. Mix gently until fully dissolved. Then set it aside to cool. Measure 396 grams of coconut oil, then combine it with the cooled lye solution. Stir slowly and patiently. Aloe vera is known for its soothing and moisturizing effects, while lemongrass helps cleanse and tone the skin. When combined in a soap, they make a gentle and refreshing bar that's ideal for everyday use. As the mixture begins to saponify, it will thicken. At this point, you can add a few drops of your favorite essential oil if you like. This is optional, but adds a nice touch. Pour the soap mixture into your mold. For this recipe, it will harden in about 8 hours. Once it's firm enough, remove it from the mold and cut it into bars. You can choose the size and shape that suits your preference. With this recipe, the soap can be used after about a week, but for best results, it's recommended to let it cure for around 4 weeks. This helps the bar become milder and longer lasting. If you're looking for a natural soap that's simple, fresh, and gentle on the skin, this aloe vera and lemongrass recipe is a good one to try. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. This is Danny. See you next time.